For decades, the automotive world has operated under a strict, unwritten law. If you want to prove you have reached the absolute peak of wealth and power, you buy a Mercedes Maybach S680. It has been the boss level of luxury, a rolling palace of V12 engines and polished wood that defined success from Berlin to Beverly Hills. When a Maybach pulls up, everyone knows the person inside doesn't just have money, they have legacy. But right now, that long-standing hierarchy is being dismantled by something the traditional German guard never saw coming. We aren't just looking at a new car. We are looking at a hostile takeover of the luxury segment by a tech giant that spent years dominating the world of smartphones and 5G networks. This is the Maextro S800, the first true attempt by Huawei and JC to kill the king of the boardroom. Before we continue, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can hit 55,000 subscribers. Thank you. To the Mercedes fanatics who think heritage is an unbreakable shield, I have a simple message. It's time to wake up. The automotive industry has shifted from a battle of gears and pistons to a war of silicon and software. While the Maybach S680 is undoubtedly beautiful, it represents a world that is quickly becoming analog. The Maextro S800 is a supercomputer that just happens to have 4 wheels and a steering wheel. It doesn't rely on the history of its badge because it's too busy rewriting the future of what a car can actually do. This is a psychological blow to the old guard, because it proves that you don't need 100 years of history to build the most advanced luxury vehicle on the planet. You just need the right code and a vision that looks past the tailpipe. If you want to talk about presence, let's look at the numbers. Because the S800 is a 5.5-meter beast that makes even the legendary Maybach look small. Stretching to 5.48 meters with a massive 3.37-meter wheelbase, the Maextro S800 is longer and wider than the S-Class flagship. When these two cars sit side by side, the German legend, for the first time in its history, feels slightly overshadowed. The S800 creates a cabin larger than some executive offices, offering a land jet experience that makes the Maybach feel like a standard sedan in comparison. This isn't just a car you drive, it's a territory you occupy on the road, signaling that the center of gravity in the luxury world has officially shifted toward the east. The S800 isn't just winning on size, it is winning on the brain that controls that size. While Mercedes is still trying to figure out how to integrate basic apps into its dashboard, Huawei has built the S800 around the Harmony Intelligent Mobility Alliance, HIMA. This means the car is part of a massive, living ecosystem. It knows your schedule, it knows your home settings, and it knows your driving habits before you even sit down. The Maybach S680 is a magnificent machine, but the Maextro S800 is a magnificent intelligence. In a world where the most powerful person in the room is the one with the best data, the S800 has already won the argument before the engine or the motors even start. The difference in design philosophy between these two rivals is as clear as day. The Maybach S680 is built around its iconic static chrome grille, a symbol of luxury that hasn't changed much in years. It's elegant, but it's silent. In contrast, the Maextro S800 adopts a design language called Zongheng Xinghan, which turns the car into a living, breathing digital organism. When the S800 is parked, it looks like a solid, deep black obsidian block, sleek and mysterious. But as you approach, the car literally wakes up. Over 1,200 micro-LEDs in the headlights and the Milky Way light system begin a choreographed dance, looking like a meteor shower crashing into a nebula. It is a cinematic experience that makes the Maybach's traditional lights look like 20th century lamps. This galaxy scroll lighting effect isn't just at the front, it flows through the entire body. The rear of the S800 features a full-width taillight assembly that creates a literal Milky Way effect at night, with glittery, non-static light elements that make the car look like it's traveling through deep space. Even the door handles are artistic installations, embedded with fiber optic strands that glow with a constellation-like pattern the moment the car senses your presence. This isn't just about lighting the road, it's about creating a high-definition experience before you even touch the door handle. It makes the Maybach feel static and old-fashioned, like a classic painting compared to a 4K digital masterpiece. Even the way you enter the car has been re-engineered for a new era. While the Maybach has lovely soft closed doors, the S800 features what we call thinking doors. Using a sophisticated combination of roof-mounted LiDAR and millimeter-wave radar, the car scans its environment in real time. If you try to open the door and there's a cyclist, a high curb, or even a stray shopping cart in the way, the car physically restricts the door from swinging into the obstacle. It will automatically stop at the precise millimeter to avoid a scratch. It is this level of obsessive, tech-driven protection that makes the Maybach feel like a relic from the past. You aren't just getting into a car, you are being protected by an AI that saw the danger before you even reached for the handle. Then there is the matter of physics. The Maybach S680 is a heavy, traditional sedan that fights the wind like a brick covered in chrome. The Maextro S800, despite its massive size, is shaped like a high-speed bullet. It boasts a drag coefficient of just 0.26, making it one of the most aerodynamic shapes ever put into production. Every curve of its fastback silhouette is designed to slice through the air with zero effort, which not only makes it silent at high speeds, but also incredibly efficient. While the Maybach relies on its massive V12 to punch through the atmosphere, the S800 glides through it, proving that in the modern world, intelligence and aerodynamics beat raw mechanical force every single time. Even the 23-inch multi-spoke wheels feature self-aligning center caps, ensuring the Maextro logo remains perfectly upright at all times. A final flex of precision that used to be the sole territory of Rolls-Royce. Stepping inside the Maybach S680 feels like checking into a very expensive classic hotel. Lots of leather, wood, and a few nice screens. It's a beautiful place to be, but it's a place that feels like it belongs to your grandfather's era. Stepping into the Maextro S800, however, feels like boarding a private jet. While Mercedes provides a few high-quality displays, the S800 presents a wall of glass. The entire dashboard is a triple-screen layout running on Huawei's Harmony OS 5.0. It is the smoothest, most responsive interface in the world, syncing with your phone, home, and office faster than you can blink. In the Maybach, the infotainment can sometimes feel like a slow tablet from a few years ago. In the S800, it feels like the future is at your fingertips. The real revolution is happening in the rear seats. In a Maybach, you sit in a very comfortable chair. In the Maextro S800, you float in an active, safe, zero-gravity throne. These seats can recline to an incredible 148.5 degrees, while the front passenger seat folds away entirely to give you infinite legroom. These aren't just seats, they are wellness centers featuring 20-point acupressure massage programs and graphene heating elements. But the party piece that leaves everyone speechless is tucked into the ceiling. With a single tap on the armrest screen, the windows tint to 99% opacity, the starry sky roof dims, and a 40-inch laser projection system drops down. The entire rear of the car transforms into a private cinema. The Maybach offers you small tablets on the back of the seats. The S800 offers you a theater. To complete the cinematic experience, the S800 uses the Huawei Sound Ultimate system, a 2,920-watt monstrosity with 43 individual speakers. This isn't just about volume, it's about acoustic isolation. Thanks to sound partitioning technology and noise-canceling headrests, the person in the left rear seat can be watching a loud action movie while the person in the right rear seat is on a quiet business call. They won't hear each other at all. This acoustic barrier ensures that the driver cannot hear private conversations in the back, while still allowing for general ambient sound to pass through. It is a level of personal space and technological privacy that felt impossible until Huawei decided to build a car. Beyond the screens and sounds, the S800 cabin is a masterclass in material science. While the Maybach uses traditional leather, the Maextro is wrapped in imported first-layer calfskin and decorated with high-end wood featuring continuous grain alignment. Between the seats, there is an innovative center island that houses a compressor refrigerator. This isn't a simple cooler. It can chill your champagne to exactly 5 degrees Celsius or keep your tea warm at 50 degrees Celsius. Even the air you breathe is intelligent, with an active scent system that allows you to choose from 6 refined fragrances. It's not just a cabin, it's a sanctuary where every human sense is catered to by the world's most advanced AI. When you close the electric curtains and lean back into the zero-gravity position, the Maybach feels less like a rival and more like a memory. The engineering beneath the Maextro S800 is where the car truly begins to defy the traditional laws of automotive physics. Despite its massive 5.5-meter length, The S800 possesses a level of maneuverability that makes it feel half its actual size. This is largely due to an industry-leading rear-wheel steering system that allows the back wheels to pivot up to 16 degrees. To put that in perspective, a standard Mercedes Maybach only offers about 10 degrees. This extra flexibility gives the S800 a turning radius of just 5.5 meters, allowing this giant landjet to perform a U-turn in a space smaller than what most compact hatchbacks require. It turns the nightmare of navigating tight city streets into an effortless, digital experience. But the real magic trick is the crab walk mode. By turning all four wheels in the same direction, the S800 can actually move diagonally. While a Maybach driver has to engage in a stressful 5-point turn to get out of a boxed-in parking space, the Maextro driver simply activates the crab walk and slides the car sideways out of the spot. It is a visual spectacle that looks more like science fiction than transportation, proving that the digital chassis of the S800 is fundamentally more capable than the mechanical foundations of the old guard. This mastery over the road continues with the pothole predictor technology integrated into the Tulin Longsing platform. The S800 doesn't just react to the road, it anticipates it. Using its roof-mounted LiDAR and high-definition cameras, the car scans the terrain up to 20 meters ahead, analyzing every bump, crack, and dip in the asphalt. Before the tires even touch a pothole, the intelligent air suspension has already adjusted the damping and ride height to neutralize the impact. The result is a ride that feels like you are gliding on a cloud of liquid silk. In a Maybach, you might feel the luxury of the suspension working to hide the bump. In the S800, you never even knew the bump existed. When it comes to raw power, the conflict between these two vehicles is a battle between the past and the future. The Maybach S680 relies on its legendary 6.0-liter V12 biturbo engine. It is a mechanical masterpiece, but it is also a relic of a loud, vibrating era. It requires time to build revs, time to shift gears, and time to breathe. The Maextro S800, however, utilizes tri-motor lightning. With a triple motor setup delivering up to 850 horsepower, the acceleration is silent, instant, and relentless. It doesn't roar, it simply disappears. The S800 leaves the V12 in the rearview mirror, with a level of digital precision that makes mechanical gearboxes feel slow and clunky. For those who still worry about range, the S800 effectively kills range anxiety with its extended range version. This model uses a highly efficient gasoline generator that never drives the wheels, but keeps the battery charged on the go. This gives the S800 a total cruising range of over 1,1200 kilometers, enough to drive across entire countries without ever needing to look for a gas station or a plug. While the Maybach owner is forced to stop and refuel a thirsty V12, the Maextro owner keeps gliding toward their destination, enjoying the ultimate luxury of uninterrupted time. Even when you do need to plug in, the S800 makes the rest of the industry look like it's standing still. It is equipped with world-leading 6C ultra-fast charging technology. This allows the car to add hundreds of miles of range in just 10 minutes. It is officially the fastest charging luxury car on the planet, turning a charging stop into a brief pause rather than a long wait. It is this combination of extreme range and lightning-fast replenishment that proves the electric era has finally surpassed the convenience of the internal combustion engine. The final blow to the Maybach's legacy comes when you look at the math. A fully loaded Mercedes Maybach S680 can easily cost over $240,000, and you are paying a massive premium for the history of the badge. The Maextro S800, which offers more interior space, significantly more technology, and superior performance, enters the market at approximately $140,000 for its highest-end flagship edition. You are essentially getting two cars' worth of innovation for the price of one German legend. This massive value gap is already causing a shift in the elite circles of society. We are seeing what many call the Jet Li effect. When global superstars and martial arts legends like Jet Li, a man who can afford any car in the world, proudly take delivery of the 10,000th Maextro S800, it sends a message that the culture of luxury has changed. Industry leaders and cultural icons are no longer looking for mechanical heritage. They are demanding silicon luxury. They want the car that represents the peak of modern intelligence, not the peak of 19th century engineering. The legend of the Maybach hasn't just been challenged, it has been replaced by a new sovereign of the road.